Master G here with Red Rock Martial Arts. We're going to be working on our Pyeonsan or our throat attack. I call this the Lego claw, so you're going to make your hand into a classic Lego figure, minifigure, and then you're going to do a punching action directly at the larynx or the throat. Ready? Hi! Hi! Good. Once more. Ready? Hi! Hi! Good. And reset. Ready? Opposite side. Hi! Hi! Once more. Hi! Hi! And once on the pad. Ready? Hi! Hi! Good. Hi! Hi! Good. And that is our Pyeonsan or throat grab. Sorry, that's backwards. And that is our throat grab or Pyeonsan in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.